Want to level up your autonomous designs? Precise real-time mapping is the absolute key to seamless robotics. Welcome to the audio blog by SOS Electronic. We bring you the latest technical insights and solutions from the world of electronic components. Today, we're diving into Mapping the Path Forward, a field guide to YDLidar Integration. Modern automation, robotics, and smart industrial setups live and die by how well they map their environment. Whether you are developing domestic helper robots, commercial service bots, or autonomous mobile robots, capturing highly accurate distance measurements in real time is non-negotiable. This is where YDLidar steps in. As a dedicated specialist in intelligent sensing, they have spent years developing innovative solutions tailored to these strict demands. Let's look at how their laser-based units provide highly detailed, real-time, 360-degree environment mapping. Essentially, these sensors calculate the distance to surrounding objects by emitting light and measuring its return. The resulting stream of coordinates compiles into a point cloud, which serves as the primary spatial map. This brand offers robust 2D LiDARs operating on either optical triangulation or time-of-flight principles, alongside specialized depth cameras. When choosing a sensor, it is easy to get lost in the numbers, so let's decode the datasheet. First, notice the difference between scan frequency and sampling rate. Scan frequency is how fast the internal motor spins, measured in hertz. Sampling rate is the total number of distance measurements the sensor takes every second. As an example, the compact T-Mini Plus operates with a sampling rate of 4,000 Hz and a typical scan frequency of 10 Hz. In practice, this means the unit captures exactly 400 distinct data points across its 360-degree sweep. Next, consider ambient light tolerance. This tells you how much background light the receiver can handle. While the unit will still run under direct sunlight, you must expect a shorter, reliable sensing range because the ambient light partially blinds the receiver. Finally, look at the field of view. While most rotating models offer a full 360 degrees, there are specialized exceptions like the TEA series with a 300-degree scanning window. If you need a solid-state solution with no moving external parts, the GS2 and GS5 models offer fixed horizontal views. Let's look on real-world scenarios. For household robots, combining the T-Mini Plus with the GS2 series is ideal. For heavier warehouse robots, automatic guided vehicles, or multimedia interaction, the TG30, TG50, or TEA series fit best. Getting these sensors up and running is straightforward. The manufacturer provides robust support for both ROS and ROS2. To integrate a sensor, simply download the model-specific SDK and driver package from the official YDLidar repository. We have carefully selected these versatile distance sensors for our product range at SOS Electronic because they offer the best balance of performance and reliability. The full article with detailed specification tables is available on our website. In summary, choosing the right spatial awareness technology is crucial for modern automation, and YDLidar provides the perfect tools for the job. You can find full technical specifications and more articles at www.soselectronic.com. We are a reliable partner in electronics. We are here for you. Thank you for listening.